Hello guys, in this video we are going to see some of the HTML interview questions. Before I start, let me see some basics of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext means the way in which web page are linked together. When you click the web page, you are seeing the hypertext. Markup language means describe how the HTML works. You simply mark up a text document with a tag that tells the browser how to structure it to the display. What is HTML? HTML is a language that is interpreted by the browser and it tells the browser what to display and how to display. For example, when we are searching in the browser www.amazon.com, what we see in the display is the HTML content. Now we are going to see why HTML is used. HTML is used to create the structure of the web page and that are displayed on the World Wide Web, which means www. It contains tags and attributes that are used to design the web pages. Also, we link multiple pages using hyperlinks, which means we are creating the web pages. HTML format. An HTML element is defined by start tag, some content, and an end tag. Below I have given some example. H2 is a start tag and HTML interview questions is the some content and slash is an end tag. This is the format of the HTML. Here I have shown you HTML structure. Document type HTML. It tells the browser what type of document it is and the current page is written in the document type. And HTML tag. HTML tag is the root element of the HTML document and it tells the browser that it is an HTML document. Head tag. Head tag is the information related to the HTML document and it is not visible on the web page. Body tag. Body tag is visible in the web page, what we see in the display, and it will and the content is coded in the body tag. The first question: are HTML tag and element the same thing? For this, HTML tag means H1 tag, body tag, head tag. These are the tags. HTML element means the starting tag and the content which we coded in the HTML and the closing tag. Here I have shown for example H1 tag. H1 is the tag. Heading 1 is an content and this is an closing tag. Okay. And the second question is what is an tag in HTML? The difference between the HTML symbols are the starting tag and ending tag is starting tag will have this like and the end tag will have the slash. By seeing the slash it considers it is an end tag. By seeing this tag it considers it is a starting tag. This is a tag in HTML. And the third question is what is an anchor tag in HTML? Anchor tags, for example, in the web page we have seen many links. When we click the links, it will go to the another location, but it will show on the same page only. These are all called anchor tag. These are all used to hyperlink to the other web page, emails, applications, and other items. And the fourth question is what are the lists in HTML? First, we are going to see order list. The tag for order list is OL, and the list item will be marked with numbers, capital letter, small letter, and sections. When we list that, for order list, we have to use OL tag. Inside the list item should be tagged in LI. LI means list tag, list item. And unordered list is the tag which is used is UL. UL means unordered list. Uh, the list item will be marked with bullets. For example, circle, square, it will be in square, like this. And the description list means, for example, I am giving HTML. For HTML, there will be description. For example, hypertext markup language. You have seen, or you may also seen in the Google when you search something, in there will be HTML. Below that HTML, there will be description. In small letters, it will be in 2 or 3 lines. It will be shown. Like this, we have to create description list using DL tag. These are all the list in HTML. Another of the question is, what is the use of comments in HTML? Comments, for example, I'm just creating an HTML document. In that document, I have to take some notes. The use of notes is, it will not show to the by using this command, inside we have written some notes. The notes will not shown to the web browsers. For example, that means it will not show on the display. It will show to me only when I open the HTML document code. And it will help to me when I open the code. By seeing these notes, I can see that what I have done, and I have any errors. I can, by seeing these notes, I can modify that errors. This is the use of comments in HTML. And the sixth question is, what is systematic HTML? Systematic HTML is one styling of code. In HTML itself, we can style the text. For example, if I want to in the HTML in bold or in italic, this is a systematic HTML. And the seventh question is, why is embedded tag is used in HTML? An embedded tag is used for including a video or audio in HTML document. For example, in the web page, we have seen audios or videos. By using this embedded tag, the audios or videos are displayed. This is embedded tag. And the eighth question is, what is a marquee tag in HTML? For example, in the news below, we can see the text which will be scrolled. By using this marquee tag, it will scroll in HTML. We can also scroll an image also from upward, downward, left or right. This is a marquee tag in HTML. And the ninth question is, what is button tag? For example, in the web page we have seen when we fill up some form, after filling the form, there will be a submit button or update button. By using this button tag, we can create the button by using this button tag. Button tag has in starting tag and closing tag. And then the question is, what is empty tag? Empty tag, which has only the starting tag, and the empty tag do not have an end tag. This is an empty tag. For example, break tag. Break tag has only the starting tag. It do not have an end tag. Thank you for watching my video. We will see you on the next video.